Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We're going to be doing another getting ready with me video. Today I'm going to be showing you a new look I've been wearing recently, so stay tuned. Alright, for this look I start off with the Maybelline Master Prime primer. It is not too expensive, which is my favorite thing about it. And it actually works pretty well too. Alright. Another thing I like about it is it doesn't take a lot of time to set in. Like a lot of primers, especially like really good ones, you have to like give it some time to like set into your skin. Like the Too Faced Hangover one, I always have to let that set into my skin for like 20 minutes. With this, you can just put it on and then go straight to foundation. I'm also using the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless. Maybe she's born with it, maybe it's Maybelline. Sorry, I had to do that. I know everyone probably does that and it's probably really dumb. It's not my fault they came up with a catchy catchphrase. Now I'm just gonna take my brush, kind of smooth everything over. Now I'm gonna go in with my Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer. Just do a little under the eyes. And I've also got, you can't really see them super well, a couple zits on the bottom of my cheek. I'm gonna go over those as well. And this one too. Because I know they're there and it bothers me. Okay, now that I've got my face all done, foundation, concealer, all that jazz, we're gonna go into our eyes. I'm gonna take my Morphe eyelid primer. I used to use the Too Faced, I don't remember what it's called, but whatever the eyeshadow primer is, it comes in like a baby blue tube. I used to really like that, but the Morphe one is literally half the price, and it works just as good, if not better, in my opinion. Like, I'm obsessed with it. Alright. Once we get that all on there, the first color I'm going to do on my eyelid, now that's all primed and everything, is I'm going to take this lighter tan color in my James Charles Morphe palette. What? I don't know why I care. Like, nobody cares about this palette anymore but me. I'm just going to go to the crease of my eye. Kind of put it here. Oh, that's not very good. It's a little bit lighter than I was anticipating. That's perfect though, because then it's easy to build. And then next I'm gonna take this crown brush. I got it in my Ipsy bag. It's cool, it's double-sided. And I'm also gonna take what I received in my Ipsy bag this month, the Pixie by Petra Mineral Bronze Duo. I'm just gonna put over the rest of my eyelid the lighter color. It's a nice shimmery color. Now I'm gonna do that on the other side. I'm so stupid, I almost started putting this on without my primer. Rookie mistake, Nicole. Alright, so it's still, I feel like, a little intense on the outside, so I'm just going to take my Morphe 535, it's just a basic blending brush, to kind of soften it out. See how this is just not as stark on the outside afterwards. Sweet. And then I think after that, we're gonna go in with this brush, this end of the brush, and I'm gonna take this color right here in my James Charles Morphe palette. I'm just gonna go under right here. Ooh. Just highlight. And under right here. And then in right here. To bring a little bit of highlight in that inner corner too. Now we're gonna throw some eyeliner on. I'm using the NYX Epic Ink Liner. I love it. It's my favorite dupe for the Kat Von D tattoo liner. One thing, or one complaint that I do kind of have about the NYX Epic Ink eyeliner is at some points it seems to just kind of like gush out eyeliner, and I wonder if it'll still show. I have to like wipe it on my hand, and then I can't use my hand for anything, but let's see. It's not that good of a camera, but as you can see, this little blob right there, excess eyeliner. But other than that, you get used to it and it's pretty easy to apply. Next, I'm gonna go in with my Mary Kay Lash Intensity Mascara. Okay, so I don't typically do any like contouring or using bronzer for most of my everyday looks, mostly because I don't know how, and I feel like I end up looking like a clown. But I do like to throw on some highlight, which probably makes me look just like which probably makes me look like a clown too, but whatever. I'm gonna take my Anastasia Beverly Hills Moonchild Glow Kit, and I think we're just gonna go in with Pink Heart using my trusty, my handy dandy Umbreon brush. Look at how cute it is. And just go on my cheek. Using my color Pink Heart. I can't remember if I said that, and if I did, it's just a nice little reminder for you. And then my forehead. Ooh, I love this kit so much. I got it at Marshall's for like 15 bucks. Now I'll go on my nose. Right here. And here. And it's not, I mean, you can't really see highlight in this lighting because it's terrible bathroom lighting, but whatever. I'm just gonna finish this look off with a ColourPop lipstick in the color Better Off. Now that I got my lipstick, I'm going to go ahead and finish everything off with my e.l.f. Makeup Mist and Set. It's pretty bad. I had to look at that label after just reading it. I just go. And we're all set for the day. All right, I went and I got some better lighting just to kind of show off this makeup look more for you guys. I mean, you made it this far, you might as well see what it looks like clearly. So as you can see, I love the eyeshadow combo of that Pixie by Petra, the Mineral Duo, and the James Charles. I'll have to look into what color that was. I've got the color saved somewhere, but I don't know. I love this lipstick. I'm slowly becoming obsessed with like orange toned lipsticks as opposed to just red ones, especially for fall. I feel like that's great. It's perfect. But yeah, it's nice and easy. It takes like a half hour to do, probably not as long when you're not filming yourself. I think it's probably only like 20 minutes. And all pretty affordable products, aside from like the James Charles palette and maybe my Anastasia Beverly Hills Moonchild glow kit. But like I said, I got that at Marshall's for $15, and I did pay full price for the James Charles palette. Oh god, excuse me. I did pay full price for the James Charles palette, but I know there's other knockoffs you could always use if you don't want to use that. A lot of the stuff I have, I got through Ipsy. It's great. Ipsy and Ulta, they both seem to be really affordable, and they're great places to get makeup. I mean, Ipsy's just trying out makeup, but it's got really good samples of high quality stuff. Thanks for tuning into my video today. If you want to see more looks like this, definitely subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.